Are you an HR professional looking to take your career to the next level? Do you want to design compensation and benefit systems that attract, motivate, and retain top talent? The Professional Certificate in Compensation and Benefit Management is a specialized program that equips you with the tools, frameworks, and best practices to create competitive, equitable, and legally compliant compensation and benefit systems. World Academy UK is one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having presence in around 100 countries, offering professional certificate in compensation and benefit management for all professionals across the globe. Through this course, you'll gain expertise in pay structure design, job evaluation, incentive planning, tax management, and labor law compliance. You'll learn how to align compensation strategies with organizational goals and ensure a competitive advantage. With our program, you'll develop the skills to make data-driven decisions, design effective incentive programs, and ensure compliance with labor laws. You'll become a strategic partner in driving business growth and employee satisfaction. Enroll in the Professional Certificate in Compensation and Benefit Management today and take the first step towards becoming a compensation and benefits expert. Empower your organization to succeed with a competitive edge. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.